JEE Main 2026, 4th April Shift 1, Physics Section A, Question 30. Let us visualize the problem. We have a solid sphere of mass m and radius r. This sphere is divided into two unequal parts. The smaller part, having mass m by 8, is reshaped into a sphere of radius r. The larger part, having mass 7m by 8, is converted into a circular disk of radius 2r and thickness r. We need to find the ratio of their moments of inertia. The question states, a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is divided into two unequal parts. The smaller part having mass m by 8 is converted into a sphere of radius r, and the larger part is converted into a circular disk of thickness r and radius 2r. If I1 is the moment of inertia of the sphere about an axis through its center, and I2 is the moment of inertia of the disk about its diameter, find the ratio I2 by I1. The options are 35, 70, 140, and 210. The key concepts here are the moment of inertia formulas. For a solid sphere of mass m and radius r, the moment of inertia about an axis through its center is 2/5 mr squared. For a circular disk of mass m and radius r, the moment of inertia about its diameter is 1/4 mr squared. Also, since both pieces come from the same original sphere, they share the same density. This allows us to find the radius r of the smaller sphere. Step 1. Find the radius r of the smaller sphere. The density of the original sphere is ρ equals 3m over 4 pi r cubed. Since the smaller part has the same density, m by 8 equals 4/3 pi r cubed times ρ. Substituting and simplifying, we get r cubed equals r cubed over 8. Therefore, r equals r by 2. Step 2. Calculate I1, the moment of inertia of the smaller sphere. Using the formula, I1 equals 2/5 times m by 8 times r by 2 quantity squared. Computing this, we get 2/5 times m by 8 times r squared by 4, which simplifies to m r squared over 80. Step 3. Calculate I2, the moment of inertia of the disk about its diameter. Using the formula, I2 equals 1/4 times 7m by 8 times 2r quantity squared. That gives 1/4 times 7m by 8 times 4r squared. After simplification, I2 equals 7mr squared over 8. Step 4. Find the ratio I2 by I1. We have I1 equals mr squared over 80 and I2 equals 7mr squared over 8. Taking the ratio, I2 over I1 equals 7mr squared over 8 divided by mr squared over 80. This simplifies to 7 times 80 over 8, which is 7 times 10, giving us 70. The ratio I2 by I1 equals 70. The correct answer is option 2. Here are some exam tips. Memorize these moment of inertia formulas for common shapes. For a solid sphere about its center, it is 2/5 mr squared. For a hollow sphere, 2/3 mr squared. For a disk perpendicular to its plane, 1/2 mr squared. And critically for this problem, for a disk about its diameter, 1/4 mr squared. Also remember, when a body is reshaped without losing mass, the density remains constant. Use mass equals density times volume to find new dimensions. Like and subscribe for more JEE Main solutions at MAGPIEHUB.